Being a student can be challenging, especially when balancing studies with expenses. But did you know, with a little creativity and effort, you can make money while still in school? Today, we'll explore some practical ways to earn money as a student. So let's dive in. 1. Freelancing. Use your skills. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or coding, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect students with clients worldwide. 2. Tutoring. Excel in a subject? Offer tutoring sessions to your peers or younger students. Platforms like Chegg Tutors or Tutor.com make this easier than ever. 3. Selling notes and study guides. Turn your class notes into cash. Websites like StudySoup allow students to sell their notes. 4. Campus jobs. Universities often offer on-campus jobs from library assistants to baristas. These positions can be both convenient and lucrative. 5. Participate in research studies. Campuses frequently need participants for studies, and they're often paid. Check your university's research department for opportunities. 6. Babysitting or pet sitting. Use platforms like Care.com or Rover to find opportunities near you. 7. Rent out your stuff. Have a bike, camera, or even textbooks you're not using. Websites like Fat Llama or Bookscouter can help you rent or sell them. 8. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or a strong social media following, promote products and earn a commission for each sale through platforms like Amazon Associates or ShareASale. 9. Gig economy jobs. Apps like Uber, Lyft, or DoorDash offer flexible working hours tailored for students. With determination and a bit of hustle, making money as a student is achievable. Remember to strike a balance between work and academics. Now, get out there and start earning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.